In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a discount code on Gumroad. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Gumroad like you usually would do inside of your favorite browser. And then from here, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're inside of the dashboard here, you'll need to go over to checkout in the menu. And from here, it's showing something like this. Now from here, you'll see discount up here. And then from here, you'll just need to go up to the right hand corner and click new discount. Now from here, you'll be able to create a discount code to your audience that can buy a product at a reduced price. And from here, you'll simply need to give it a name. You'll need to enter a discount code that you can update yourself if you want to do that. You can add the specific products if you want to do that, or you can click all products if you want to do that. You can add what type of product or discount you want to add, either a percentage or a fixed amount. And you can add a percentage by clicking right here and click 10%, for example. You can also down here under settings, add limit quantity, limit validity period, set a minimum qualifying amount, or set a minimum quantity. Once you've done all of this, you'll simply need to click add discount. And then from here, you'll be able to create the discount. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!